It is not glued down, baby. Okay, let's get straight into the unboxing. The wig came in this pink satin satchel. Inside of there was this red box that says UNice here, of course, and then on the outside it says cannot be defined. Inside is a true glueless unit. Okay, it is pre-plucked with baby hair, pre-cut lace, and 3 combs on the inside. As you can see, it has like foam. It is a straight unit. It is in 24 inches, but it felt really longer than that. Probably around 26 inches, so you get a little bit added. I love the way they did the baby hairs. As you can see, they're like literally sitting. They're curled already. There's literally nothing you have to do with this unit. The only customization I would say is maybe sew elastic band on the inside just for added security. Also inside was this pamphlet with the company and wig information, as well as a hair clip that says UNice, the best wig cap on the planet in nude, a UNice robe, a bag of goodies, and inside of that bag was some of the same things. So there was these faux mink eyelashes, and then there was a Velcro elastic band and a retractable makeup brush. So I added some powder to my lace. I should have did that on the outside with the lace as well, just so you could see how much more believable it could look. But I just wanted to show you the true state of how the wig looks. Okay, so as you can see, it is already styled as if I did it myself. It's just a few tweaks that I want to do, but again, I had this unit sitting on a table for like 3 days, and I have a little bit of crinkles in it, so I will be doing a little bit of flat ironing. But I just wanted to show you like that you could truly put this wig on. It's already done. This is like a glueless wig for real. So I just wanted to go over the parts that are a little puffy from it just sitting out on the table. So I am going in with a wax stick and then with the hot comb and just hot combing that hair down. This is going to be really quick because it's really nothing that I have to do, honestly. You see the little bit of crinkles that I have in there? I'm just going to take my flat iron and run through a few of the strands, and that is going to be it. It's going to be a quick tutorial because it's really nothing I have to do to this wig. If it wasn't for me taking it out of the packaging just to pre-film the first part of the video, honestly, I wouldn't have had to do any styling whatsoever. Maybe the baby hairs, because I just wanted to kind of fix them a little. They look a little too long for me, which made me feel like my forehead was even longer. So I was like, let me just kind of like slick them back a little bit. So I just added a little edge control, slicked it following the original curl pattern, and that was pretty much it. So this unit is from UNice. I've gotten so many units from UNice here. They always come with the bomb units, and this one has to be my favorite because there is little to no styling involved. Like, you literally could take the unit out of the packaging and put it on your head and go. For the most part, I had to do literally no customization because they customized the hell out of this unit. So the lace is pre-cut, which I love. As you can see, look at that. Bitch, are you kidding me? I love that they cut the lace with the zigzag motion instead of straight across, because it gives more of a seamless look. You literally can't tell. When you do the straight across cut, you can literally see the blunt cut. So I love that they paid attention to what us YouTubers are saying and how we are installing it and liking it, and they are creating it in a way where we don't have to do any work whatsoever but put the unit on our heads, which is better for y'all because y'all don't have to do work. Like, while we may be able to deal with, you know, all the customization, I know a lot of people don't do hair. So, you know, I think this is perfect. It is pre-plucked to perfection. So as you can see, it just looks so freaking natural. Like, I didn't have to pluck absolutely anything. It is glueless. I literally put the unit on my head. I did not, look, do y'all see this? I have never been able to do this to any unit. Like, I literally didn't have to do nothing. All I did was throw the unit on my head. Are you kidding? It's not on my head. I'm gonna shake my head. The wig isn't going anywhere. It is secure. The lace didn't move. It's not moving. Like, they did an amazing job on this unit. And if I didn't tell y'all before, I'm gonna tell y'all right now. This is the one. If you are someone who doesn't know how to do hair, or you just want that like wig that you could put on your head and go, this is the true unit you are looking for, okay? And I will have it down in the bottom bar for y'all to go check it out for yourselves, because this unit is fire. And this is in 24 inches. It's pretty long. I love the density. It's very, very natural. This is what the back looks like. Let's shake. So bouncy. The hair is so beautiful on this unit. Like, no cons. No cons. 10 out of 10 would recommend, okay? So I'm gonna have the links to everything down in the bottom bar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more units like this on my channel, and I will definitely do that. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will speak to you on my next video. Bye.